Okay, let's do it.
Do it!
Oh, wow.
There's nothing like taking a thing apart to make you less confident in its ability to perform the job that you intended it to.
Okay, stop!
Case in point,
the tire that we're now rolling on, and we have tightened using our own blood, sweat, and tears. You know, it's just 6 bolts between us and a very long walk.
Om Namah Shivaya.
yeah, well said, Charles.
Yeah.
Cool.
I had a really fun moment with the tire jack kit yesterday where you're reading the instructions and it's just hold the steel handle with both hands.
Yeah, both hands.
The jack handle may move rapidly and cause serious injury or death.
And if the handle should slip, the cradle will fall.
Right.
And then you press the button and you're like,
Anything's gonna happen. I think everything's gonna happen. Yeah, okay. Oh my God!
this is all fine. I don't know what's going. You press a button and it starts to reverse the other way.
After last night, getting the flat tire, I feel ready to leave Death Valley. I think I feel ready for trees and things like shade. So we're gonna head back to Lake Isabella. It's only gonna be like a 3-hour drive, so not that bad. I need just some rest. I need to not be paying attention to what I'm doing and just kind of chill. Oh, this looks nice. It's nice to see water. It's very cold. Okay, that's enough. We have tickets to a party at this cool commune art space nature thing. And I think instead of camping tonight, we should just go there. The only thing is, it's like a 5.5-hour drive from here. Let's do it. Let's just do it.
Kind of around the bend. It's good to see you, bro.
Nice to see you too, man. Thanks again.
We made it. Agapolis. We just landed on a giant 22-acre compound in Portola Valley, just south of San Francisco. Let's go have some fun.
What is it? Back-to-back, no smiling?
So of course we are at the party, and when you know it,
I need the shovel.
Charles has the hijack out. It's in a major ditch. We're gonna pull it out. I told you we needed a bigger shovel. No, Brooks, this one's so highly reviewed. We gotta get this. Okay, so the plan is, instead of pulling the car out, which might rip the front bumper off because it's actually plowed into the dirt, we're gonna lift the car up and then lean it forward so that the front wheel touches the ground, and then we'll just drive it on out. We've got the car up now. Yeah! Okay, we're gonna start the car, and hopefully there's enough traction right here that we can actually just drive it on out.
Okay, let's do it.
Do it!
Oh, wow.
We're gonna fuck up your door. Yep. We're totally fucking up your door.
It's an insured rental. This changes the game. Driving forward is denting the passenger door. But it doesn't matter.
All right, let's shall we?
Okay.
Yeah!
Now you can straighten out. Drive. Left. And
Yeah!
The man, homie.
Boom.
Well, that was some shit. Hey, I had a really good time. I had a good time going with you.
yeah, good time with going with you.
Thank you. I had fun bringing you guys along, so thank you for coming. It means a lot to me that you watch. I mean it. It means a lot. You know? That's why I do it. Thank you for getting lost with us. I'm Brooks.
I'm Charles.
See you out there. Ah!